This video is on the law of exponents. The first rule we'll look at is the power of 1. Anything to the power of 1 will be itself. For example, x to the first power is x. 2 to the first power is equal to 2. The next power we'll look at is 0 power. Anything to the 0 power is going to be equal to 1. For example, 14 to the 0 power equals 1. 1/10 to the 0 power equals 1. Now dealing with negative exponents, you are going to inverse the base. For example, if you have x to the negative 1, that'll yield 1 over x. Another example is if you have 5 to the negative 1, that'll be equivalent to 1/5. And if you have 3 to the negative 2, that would be 1 over 3 squared. And that's the same as 1/9. So let's take a look at rules with the same base. If you are multiplying with the same base, you add the exponents. For example, x to the c times x to the d is going to be x to the c plus d. For example, if you had x squared times x to the third, that would equal x to the fifth. 2 plus 3 equals 5. The law of exponents when dividing with the same base means you will need to subtract the exponents. For example, if you have x to the fourth divided by x squared, you will subtract the exponents. 4 minus 2 equals 2. So your resulting answer would be x squared. So when you have an exponent to another exponent, you will multiply those exponents. So for example, if you have x to the fifth, you square that, then you multiply 5 times 2, and you will get x to the 10th power. So let's look at exponents with parentheses. Any term within the parentheses will get the exponent. So you will distribute the exponent to each term within the parentheses. So for example, x, y in parentheses to the negative 2 would yield x to the negative 2 and y to the negative 2. Likewise, with division, exponents outside the parentheses are distributed to both the numerator and the denominator. An example would be x divided by y to the 6th power would yield x to the 6th divided by y to the 6th. So hopefully this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. And if you have any topics you would like me to cover, please leave in the comments below.